doing a DIY of this bag because Navratri is around the corner. Or I thought to DIY a handbag because it's all about Jaipuri stuff. I mean oxidized silver or maybe gold sometimes. I thought let's give it a try with this. Let's DIY this envelope bag. This is from Forever New that I got. It is spacious, it has space, and yeah, let's get started. I have like few products, like I got this tassel, I got some mirrors, I got some pom-poms, I got this, and I got this pom-pom. So I've not decided what I want to do here, but yeah, let's get started. So first thing that I'm gonna do is place. Yes, let me get the placement right firstly. As I've not decided what I'm going to do, I am going to place this and decide. So probably I'll do it this way. So I had already cut these two here, thinking that we'll go this way, and then I decided that I should fill this up with tassels here. So fingers crossed, hoping that we will be able to complete and fill this space up with tassels. Let's go. The procedure looks the procedure looks a bit dirty. I've just stuck this and I'm starting from below because I don't want this line to be visible because the Fevicol is here. I just want it to be like tassels, I mean the fringes, and then just go over it. So I cannot show you the whole process because I'm doing it all alone and filming this all alone. So hopefully you will be able to understand. I'll just try to show you step by step. This was actually, I did it last time because I wanted it to be like this, but it didn't happen that way. So I'll just overlap it, and even if it's visible it doesn't matter because we have some mirrors here, and we're good to go. Day 2 of the DIY, and I couldn't understand what I should do with this. So now finally, probably I guess I've got the placement that I was looking for. I didn't want it to look like a sari sort of a thing. I had this lace, so I'm using it on top here, and the fringes, I had actually cut all the fringes already, thinking that I'll be making it criss and cross, but now that it's not working, because it's fringes, it won't be, you know, visible if it's a bit tera mera, whatever you call it. I was thinking if I should use these pom-poms, but this pom-pom lace, but I'm not too sure. I'm thinking of giving it a sort of like, you know, a pom-pom, what you call latka. I love how it has turned out, and I would definitely be doing a lot of DIYs. I love creating stuffs which are old and which I'm not using anymore. Do let me know if you guys like it and if it's helpful for you guys and you would like to see more of it, more of DIYs. I would love to create more of it, and for more, subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Plus share it with your friends if you like it and if you find it helpful, and do let me know if you would like to see more of DIYs like this. I would love to create it for you. It's so much fun. Also comment down below what you would like to see, any suggestions, any advices that you want in our channel. We are working on it. Plus we'll have a lookbook which will be coming up this week itself. We are announcing right now because I want you guys to be with me, and until next time, love you so much. Keep watching.